Cignition is an amazing learning process.
At Cignition, we're a step beyond traditional tutoring.
Cignition just was a gift we got in addition to our instruction. Cignition is a virtual tutoring platform that our students in 4th and 5th grade get to use 3 times a week.
Our research-based approach and our experienced tutors guide students through their academic journeys.
Our students love Cignition. They love their tutors. The kids are gaining so much, and they're understanding. They're hearing the content delivered in a different way.
They usually go over like fractions, adding mixed fractions, subtracting mixed fractions, multiplying. My tutor also makes that fun.
What I really love about Cignition is like the tutor gets to know us and we get to know about them.
By using a collaborative learning model, our tutoring sessions facilitate quality student interactions and allow learners to gain a deeper understanding of the material while developing critical 21st century skills.
Cignition is beautiful in the sense that they also do grade level content, but they can scaffold it even more. So we can say this group really needs to go back to 3rd grade and understand multiplication, and they can do that.
I did struggle like a lot. I was confused on the math problems, but when I went to 4th grade, I had Cignition. And then the tutors helped me, and then I'm like, oh, now I understand. And now in 5th grade, I'm doing actually really good.
While most tutoring programs are instructor-led, Cignition empowers students to own their learning by talking through problems together and building confidence in their problem solving.
It's helpful, and the tutors are extremely nice.
Schools and families are seeing proven, repeatable results from partnering with Cignition.
Cignition partners with me and meets with me weekly to connect and talk about how data's looking, how are the students doing.
And that's exactly what we aim for, partnership.
I was worried about how I was going to give up a little bit of my time for someone else to take it, but boy, was I wrong with that first thought. I can't tell you how much it helps me as a teacher.
At Cignition, we're building conceptual understanding, one engaged learner at a time.